Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixoff channel. In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Office 2024 on any Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or desktop in 2026. By the end of this guide you will have Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and all the other Office apps fully installed and working. We are going to use only official Microsoft tools, so everything is safe, clean and reliable, no shortcuts and no sketchy downloads. Make sure you watch the video all the way through and follow each step carefully so you do not miss anything important. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First, make sure any older versions of Microsoft Office are completely removed. Having multiple Office versions installed can cause problems during setup. Open Settings. Go to Apps. And then Installed Apps. Now check the list of installed programs. If you see an older version of Office, uninstall it before continuing to the next step. Now the next step is to download the two files we need. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Select the Microsoft's official website. This is official Office tool website. Here choose your language and download the tool. When that finishes, open a new tab and search for Office Customization Tool. Again open the first result. This site helps us to customize the Office installation, so we only install the apps we want. First choose the correct architecture of your PC, either 32-bit or 64-bit. If you don't know about your PC architecture, simply go to Start menu and search for System Information and open it. Here you will see your system type. This is your PC architecture. I have 64-bit PC, so I will choose that. In the Office Suite section, select Office Professional Plus 2024. Scroll through the list of apps. You can choose the ones you want. For example, I need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint only, so I will select them. Next, go to the language section and choose the language you prefer. Now scroll down and click on Last section. Scroll again and click Finish. You'll see an option to export. Click on it. Choose Office Open XML formats. Accept the agreements and click Export again. This will download the second file we need. Next, we are going to organize everything. Open your Downloads folder. You will see the two files we just downloaded. Copy both of them. Then go to your C drive. Here create a new folder. Rename it as Office 2024. Now open it and paste the files there. After that, run the setup file. Accept the agreement and continue. When it asks where to extract the files, select the same Office 2024 folder on the C drive. The tool will then extract all the required files into that folder. Now we are ready for the final step, installing Office. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Next, go back to the Office 2024 folder. Click on the address bar at the top, copy the folder path. Then return to Command Prompt. Type CD, add a space, paste the path, and press Enter. After that, type the command required to start the installation. And press Enter again. Office will begin installing. This part can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and how many apps you selected, so let the process complete without interrupting it. Once the installation finishes, close the setup window. Open the Start menu and you should see your Office apps listed there. If they do not appear right away, use the search bar and type Word or Excel. Finally, open each app one at a time to make sure everything is working properly. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.